Hi. Here's Matthew. He is 9 months old, and he's a big boy. Can you say hi? Say hi, Mommy. Do you want some water? Do you want water? He likes to drink out of a sippy cup. He's still on Mama's milk though, huh? Say something. Say more. Do you want some Cheerios? Do you want some Cheerios? Clap your hands.